Welcome, Junior Tuckies. Welcome to the theory video for the year part 1. In this video, I'm going to be discussing balance in the ear. And balance is a very important question in your grade 12 exam. Forms part of the sense organs, which will form part of the nervous system marks, which is 54 marks. Please make sure that you learn this work before you go into the exams. Right. Now, the diagram that you see here is a section of the semicircular canals, and this part here that you see is the ampulla, and the ampulla, as you can see, is the swollen part. And you already know that the ampulla is surrounded by endolymph. So in here you will find endolymph. Endolymph is the liquid that is found in the ampulla. Now, the structure in the ampulla is this cup-shaped structure, which is called the cupula. The hair cells here that you see, these are the cristae, and the cristae is the receptor that is responsible for balance. Now, the cristae here is responsible for changes in speed and direction. Now, I'm about to explain how this happens, and then I'll explain what you will be required to write in your exams. Now, as your head moves in one direction, as you can see according to the diagram, what happens is the endolymph moves in the opposite direction. And as the endolymph moves, the endolymph bends the cupula, which is a jelly-like structure. And this will now touch the hair cells, which is the cristae. And as soon as the cristae is touched, that is the stimulus that is changed to an impulse, and the impulse is then transmitted to the cerebellum. Now, this knowledge and content you don't need to know for the matric exams. It's not required, but understanding the work is better before you always write and learn the work. Now, for your matric exam, you must know this information, that the cristae is in the ampulla in the semicircular canals, picks up changes in speed and direction, as I mentioned that, and as soon as the cristae picks up changes in speed and direction and is stimulated, that will generate an impulse, which is transmitted via the vestibular branch of the auditory nerve to the cerebellum. That's where the impulse will be transmitted. Then impulses will now be sent from the cerebellum via motor neurons to the skeletal muscle to restore balance in the body. This is the only information you must know. Although I've explained the detail, this is the only requirements for caps for the exams that you will write at the end of the year. I hope you understand balance more clearer, and join me for all my other theory videos. Thank you.